Interim Budget 2024 highlights the promotion of Blue Economy 2.0. Blue Economy 2.0 will emphasize sustainable development of coastal aquaculture, seas and coasts. Blue Economy 2.0 Interim Budget 2024 mentions that a scheme for Blue Economy 2.0 to be launched for restoration and adaptation measures, coastal aquaculture and mariculture with an integrated and multi-sectoral approach. Blue Economy 2.0 will emphasize climate-resilient activities and sustainable development. Also, the interim budget plans to set up 5 integrated aquaparks. Stepped-up implementation of the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana to increase productivity, double exports, and generate 5 million employment opportunities. World Bank defines the blue economy as the sustainable use of ocean resources for economic growth, improved livelihoods, while preserving the ocean ecosystem. Pillars of blue economy: mariculture, aquaculture, maritime transport, renewable energy, tourism, etc. Blue Economy 1.0 did not emphasize sustainable usage of the resources, but Blue Economy 2.0 highlights the sustainable usage. Traditional activities were mainly prioritized under Blue Economy 1.0. Blue Economy 2.0 prioritizes sustainable and climate-resilient activities also. Blue Economy focuses balanced approach between environment and economic activities, while Blue Economy 1.0 solely focused economic activities. Why Blue Economy is significant for India? India has a huge coastline of 7,517 kilometers, more than 200 ports, including 12 major ports, which are located on important sea lines of trade. India's exclusive economic zone of over 2 million square kilometers is very large and significant because of the resources such as PMN, crude oil and fisheries. More than 2 million people are actively engaged in fisheries and related sectors for their livelihood. Government initiatives. Draft Policy on India's Blue Economy 2022, Integrated Coastal Zone Management Program, Sagarmala Project, Deep Ocean Mission, Indian Ocean Rim Association, IORA,